Afternoon, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. It is June the 4th, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We've been having some rain off and on. This next hive here, it is it was a drone layer. And then what we did was we shook all the bees out of the hive. What happened to them, don't know, wasn't that many anyway. But then we shook them all out and we put the frames. I think we put cleaner, better frames in here, clean frames with no drone larvae in it. Built out. Then the bees came back. The bees came back and there was no brood for them. The drone layer, she probably didn't make it back because she was probably too fat to fly. Well, too fat to fly. But it had a few bees that came back. That were the good bees. They came back home. We got this frame that just got a little nectar in it. Bees on it. Hold on, I'll tell you what we did. Another frame that was in there after I cleaned it up. This one has a little nectar, a little pollen. And bees. This side here has a little spores on it. They're doing okay. And this frame here is from one that was in the nursery that I've been cutting queen cells out of. Trying to get some more started because I lost a lot of them there to get into labels. This one here has 2 queen cells on it. It has 1 queen cell. You can see where I cut them. This is where I cut them. Cut them here, but it's got 1 queen cell right here. It has 1 queen cell right here. It's a good queen cell. And then the bees, and they have brood, it's hatching. And on this side, they have a queen cell here. Now the other one is on the other side. Got one there. Okay, we got queen cells on both sides right here. Now there's 2 of them, so we'll just have to see what happens, and they should hatch on the 7th. So they got 3 days to hatch. This one here is about the same. That's a pretty good bit of bees on that frame that I put in. But there's only 1 queen cell left there, and then there's a bunch of queen cells still left in the box. But the way these are looking, they got a good chance of making it. And 2 queen cells, it's better to make 1 queen instead of losing 2 queens, because if you have 2 queens hatching in the same box or more, it's possible that you will wind up with no queens. And if they all swarm out when they hatch, then you're going to wind up with no bees. This is my feeder. It has a crack in it that I need to fix. Maybe. Put the pollen patty back on. Won't move. Can't put it down when you're sitting there looking at it. Good girl. Shim on the top, and it's got air vents on both sides. It's hot in South Carolina. It used to get hotter. Out. Go around, see what thing to do. But they've got a good chance of just making it now. Put a brick on here that's broke. Means there's a queen cell in there. There's a queen cell in this one. That one there has a queen too. Let's look over here and see what she's doing. We just move on over there. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Give us a thumbs up, a like, comment. I guess that's it. Subscribe. Y'all have a great one. Bye.